Today I will discuss about the freezing issue during Linux operating system installation. Why this problem comes and how to solve this, I will discuss about this in detail. So first, why this problem comes? This problem comes because of the refresh rate issue. The GPU is providing you the refresh rate higher than the monitor can accept. So suppose monitor can accept at max 60 Hz refresh rate, but the GPU is providing you 100 Hz. In that case, monitor cannot able to detect that signals, and it will show you no signal, and in this case you cannot move forward to install the Linux operating system. So how to solve this? You can solve it from the monitor's settings. So in my case, the overclocking section is under extra. You have to set the overclocking in turn on state. So what is overclocking? Overclocking is basically a technology in this by turning on this, the monitor can accept high refresh rate that it can accept previously. So if I give you an example, if your monitor maximum refresh rate is 60 Hz and your GPU is providing 100 Hz, so if you turn on overclocking, it can accept the 120 Hz or 100 Hz refresh rate from the GPU and converts it to 60 Hz and displays you the 60 Hz output without showing the no signal problem. So by turning on the overclocking, you can easily fix the freezing or stacking issue, and you can easily move forward with the installation process of any Linux distribution like Fedora, Nova, or any distribution of Ubuntu. So this is the problem with your monitor, and it's not it should be maintained on the NVIDIA driver for Linux, but why they can't handle this, I don't know, and I have spent a few days to solve this problem. So I think we can solve the freezing issue. So thank you everyone.